Unlock the potential of AI in how to make money with ChatGPT. In this guide, we'll delve into the world of conversational AI, where ChatGPT becomes your virtual assistant for profit. Explore innovative ways to monetize this powerful tool, from chatbot development to content generation. Join us as we uncover the creative and entrepreneurial opportunities that arise when you harness the capabilities of ChatGPT. Get ready to turn artificial intelligence into a source of income and embark on a journey into the future of digital entrepreneurship. Today, we will talk about how to make money with ChatGPT. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Here, we have listed the 10 best ways to make money with AI and ChatGPT. So let's get started. 1. Email writing. There are several ways to make money with ChatGPT. For instance, you can write emails based on the input given to it. Emails are most prominent in digital marketing, the software industry, and many more domains. For example, the HR department in a software company may require to send emails to candidates who are selected for their company. Also, emailing is the most prominent method in digital marketing. You can take the help of ChatGPT in writing emails, and you can deliver them to various candidates and get paid. This can be an easy side hustle to earn online. 2. Blogging or copywriting. Blogging can be a great freelancing idea when dealt with properly. Blogs are websites that provide useful information regarding various topics. Writing content in blogs requires a lot of time and effort for research and writing SEO, search engine optimization, friendly and error-free content. However, if you are looking to make money with ChatGPT 4, then this could be a game changer. ChatGPT can reduce this entire burden by providing you required content. You can give the required keywords to the ChatGPT, and it will create content accordingly. You can publish these blogs on your website and can gain money through Bing ads, Google ads, or advertisements from other blogs. 3. Online tutoring or solving problems. ChatGPT acts as a filter for all the content that is available on the internet. You can use this to create good content on various topics and post them on your website or share them for reasonable prices. You can also use these to create a video and share them on YouTube. Websites such as Chegg, Quora, etc. will pay for solving various questions posed by students. In such cases, you can make money with ChatGPT. 4. Translation services. As we are in a world of thousands of languages, translation service is one such area that has great potential to earn money online. ChatGPT can translate various languages with decent grammar based on their development in that language. You can use ChatGPT to translate various books, novels, documents, or even social media posts. You can use this work, and it could be one of the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT. 5. Create PPTs. PowerPoint presentations are widely used in school education to seminars in multinational companies. A good PPT can be made by ChatGPT with the inputs we give. These PPTs can be sold to various organizations or persons based on the content in them. However, there are a few steps you need to follow to extract a PPT, as ChatGPT gives replies only in text. You have to install the Python PPT prompt or have to run the VBA code in PPT. You can refer to various YouTube videos on how to create PPTs using GPT-4. 6. Resume creation. A resume is a very important document required for job interviews. Creating a resume can be a difficult task for people who are going to start their careers. In such cases, they search for online experts who can create the best resume that can place them in their dream job. ChatGPT can be very helpful in such cases. You have to search for the best template for the given job description and enter the details given by the customer. You can edit the resumes in the best way possible. Resume creators charge a very decent amount in creating a single resume. 7. Write product descriptions. The e-commerce market has millions of products on sale. Each product needs to be displayed with a detailed description, and the demand for content writers who can write product descriptions are very high. Websites such as Fiverr provide details about recruiters who are looking for product description writers. ChatGPT-4 can write a good description with the input you provide and could become one of the easy ways to make money with ChatGPT. 8. Content writing. Many companies are turning online and creating their websites. These websites require content to increase search engine traffic. For example, a SaaS, software as a service, company may require a detailed article about the area in which they provide service, or a finance company require articles such as effect of recent high court judgment on stock market. In such cases, ChatGPT can give you detailed articles from various sources, and you can filter these articles in some time. Content writing provides decent pay depending on the content and time given. 9. Faceless YouTube channel. A faceless YouTube channel can be run successfully with the script that is given by ChatGPT. Such type of channel runs on videos that show no face and run only on voiceover and images. An engaging YouTube script can be written by ChatGPT. These specified intro/outro and content are based on the input you provide. Such texts can be converted into videos through other artificial intelligence tools, such as v.io, and can be edited if needed. You can gain large money through YouTube channels by monetizing them and gaining ads from various companies. 10. Social media managing. Social media became the hub for marketing. Many companies, ranging from street-side food stalls to multinational companies, are opening social media accounts to promote their brand voice. These companies need someone to manage their accounts, create creative content, and market them. ChatGPT can help in idea bombing for various products. It gives ideas for videos, images, and many more. It also generates attractive captions and hashtags that can improve the engagement of the audience. As the cost of living is increasing day by day, having a passive income is becoming essential to make ends meet. However, the time and effort to learn new skills may not be affordable. In such scenarios, using ChatGPT is one of the best solutions in today's emerging world. Even though many domains are getting automated, the requirement for human touch is necessary. Despite having no specific skills, adding basic knowledge and a pinch of common sense can help us in monetizing the work of AI and gain profits. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.